Okay, so this is an Early Bronco windshield. New windshield glass, new windshield rubber. Frame's been cleaned and painted. I have the Tom's Bronco Parts roping tool, and we're going to rope the new gasket, the new windshield gasket, to get ready to install into the windshield frame. So, starting the rope maybe a foot or so into the gasket here, using the tool to push the rope into the mounting area here. So here we go. I'm going to pull the rope while using the tool. The rope goes into the rubber channel. I'm going to go all the way around the frame, feeding the rope into the rubber. So putting pressure on the outside of the windshield frame. There's your rope coming through the other side. You're going to pull the rope and it pulls the rubber around the lip of the windshield frame. And you just keep pulling all the way around. Okay. We can make this corner.
Feel it.
So be careful of the corners with the rope. Corners are really tough, so you got to work the rope nice and slow to work that corner edge around the windshield frame.
As you come past my hand, I can feel it sucking it down. Creating the seal. Right there.
This is how the rope looks from the inside, just as an example of how the rope is run. I haven't seated this side yet, obviously. On that. Nope, somebody's got to.
I'm so sorry.
I need you to push here.
Okay.
I gotta get right.
Whoa.
Okay. Okay, here's the last corner.
Felt it suck in
So
there.
push a little harder right here for me.
I gotcha.
And now
Wow.
you go around the rubber all the way and push the rest of the rubber over the lip in the windshield. You can even flip the windshield over if you've got it out of the vehicle and pull it on. And you can feel it, feel the rubber seat. And then you get a nice straight seal. Of course, it also helps to have your windshield frame nice and clean and freshly painted, and a new seal and a new piece of glass.
Well done, T.